Today I received my Godsey Supply package, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a red SS18 backpack. So as you can see, it's from Godsey Supply, right there, to SeaKicks, which is my company. Follow us on Instagram at S3AKICKS, and please follow up. So let's get to the unboxing. As you see, just a knife. So as we can see in the package, looks like there's a SS18 backpack, which is what I needed. This is the verification. Yes. Godsey. And here's the backpack. They're already verified as authentic officially. So, but we can check it out. Make sure it's authentic. And as you can see, it's Quadora. And there's the Supreme. Looks good. Looks good. And here's this. Looks pretty good to me. And the pockets. You unzip it. There's the inside of it. The interior of it looks good. So, and you see the authentic Supreme right there. Tag. The tag looks very authentic as compared to my other bag I have. So far, it's looking pretty good. Godsey was very responsive. And I would say they're pretty reliable overall. I mean, if you're considering buying one of these backpacks, they're definitely a good deal. So Godsey was a little slow on shipping, and I just reached out and they gave me a $40 gift card. And I mean, it's all good. I think I'm very happy, and I had a very good experience with Godsey. So if you have to go order at Godsey Supply, get a backpack, get a coin bank, get anything, get shoes, sneakers. But Godsey Supply is the way to go for any hypebeast style. Follow me at S3AKICKS and subscribe and like this video. Thank you.